After a long, busy day, we often carry the weight of the noise, screens, deadlines, and also the life pressures that is in our mind and in our souls. But our beautiful nature invites us to let all go and get in touch with our souls again, get in touch with our minds again, get in touch with our beautiful body again. For me, I am Nyamiru Mwangi, and just a few minutes surrounded by the trees, the skies, or even wildflowers makes my stress fades away. Nature doesn't ask for anything. It simply offers presence, peace, and a place to come home to yourself after a long day. So many times after work or having a rough day, I walk through the roads that are in my area because I live around a town, and my house is also near the road. So every time from my job place to my house, there are a lot of distractions, and that is why in the evening I take nature walks. Every sunset, every breeze, every bird song is the reminder that healing doesn't always need to be loud or complex. Sometimes what you need to heal your soul, what you need to calm your mind, is just watching the sky, just watching the wildflowers, and seeing how God is great that He even flowers or waters these wildflowers. Watching the flowers makes me feel relaxed. I love being near wildflowers, flowers I do not even know the names that they have. Sometimes it's just about being still and being there with nature, watching the skies, listening to the birds as they chirp, listening to the insects, and also just having time with yourself, with your soul, and your mind. So when your day feels heavy, step outside, reconnect with nature, and then let nature hold you. This is a thing that I know has worked for me because my job particularly majors on me talking the whole day. And so when I get to my house, I feel exhausted. I feel the need to listen to myself, and I feel the need to just reconnect with myself. So after a long walk, then I come back, I just go through the roads near my area. Then I come back to my house, still admiring the flowers, the wildflowers. This is my favorite part of the nature walk, and just figuring out if God can make these flowers this beautiful, how is He going to make my life even more beautiful? For me, nature walk is so therapeutic, and I feel in my body it has wide range of benefits like physical, mental, emotional, and even spiritual. Like if I was to start with the physical health benefits of my nature walk, is that it improves my cardiovascular health. That is just through gentle exercise. When I'm just walking, chilling, I just feel my whole body is chilled. The other thing is that it helps me to manage my weight because most of the time my body is just seated in the workplace with very few exercises. And so in the evening when I walk, or any time that I get to walk and to have nature walk, I feel it helps me to have weight management. The other thing is that it promotes better sleep due to physical exertion and also reducing the stress. So when I come back, I just cook supper and just chill. And every time I have a nature walk, I get myself sleeping even better. For my mental and emotional health, for my emotional and emotional well-being, nature walk helps me to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression by calming my mind. It also boosts my creativity because, of course, even me thinking of shooting this video was majorly because I've been working. I've been having these walks, and they have really boosted my creativity by just stimulating the brain in natural surroundings. The other thing, it increases my mindfulness and also my emotional awareness. I get to listen to myself, I get to understand myself, I get to know what exactly my body wants, my mind wants, and even my soul wants. Also, nature walk helps to improve my focus and my concentration, because while I am walking, my focus is always on insects, flowers, birds, the skies, the routes. Which new route will I follow next time when I'm coming for that nature walk? The other thing, it enhances my mood through exposure to fresh air, sunsets, sunlight in the morning, and it feels nice. And nature also helps me to learn about plants, animals, and even the environment. It helps me to boost my physical coordination and my motor skills, encourages my imaginative play and discovery, and also enhances my memory and learning abilities, because I'll remember where I got a certain flower. Every time I feel that I need to go back and just watch that flower, my memory remembers the exact spot, and I'll be able to get back there. So today, the thing that motivated me to go for a nature walk is because I've had a very busy day, and I would say that I also had a very tight week because I've been from work, family issues, attending to family duties, of course. And sometimes as a woman, it becomes so overwhelming. And if you do not have something to reconnect yourself back, it becomes really hard for you to even put yourself first. Yeah, in the world full of people who are greedy, and of course people who love themselves. So the reason into why I would advocate that sometimes, once in a while, maybe once in a week, you just get out and watch the skies. It's because it relaxes your mind, seeing the skies change the color, just seeing or hearing the birds chirp, seeing the insects, the flowers. It really feels nice and therapeutic, because at least at that time you're off from family duties, you're off from your work, you're even off from the screens, the social media, and you're just having time with yourself. And this is a thing that most of us are lacking in this modern world, because the screens have really, just look at that. Wow, I just love the watch of the sun setting, going down, and it feels wow. Watching the skies change colors, watching the skies being blue, it blows my mind and it makes me feel good. So that is why I'm encouraging you to walk through this journey with me. Just in case you're not able to have a walk, I'll be making sure that I record for you a video now and then. At least we have a nature walk together. I'm hoping that I'm going to get a good camera that is going to shoot nice videos, that we're going to get to understand these experiences because they feel nice. Wow, now the dark is coming in and I'm going back home. I do not have otherwise because now it's time to go and cook for my family. But just look at that. When was the last time that you were outside and you just watched the darkness gets in? Yeah, when did you even realize that the sky changes colors? Yeah, when did you even look at the sun, not the sun, the moon coming out at night? Just to look at that. I was so excited to watch the moon coming in and welcoming the night. And I just feel calm, I feel relaxed, and I feel that I'm ready for tomorrow and what tomorrow holds. Yeah, this is the darkness that is getting in. And I just stood somewhere and I took pictures of the skies because I really enjoy this. I really love this. It's really therapeutic, just like you can see. Just observe. So now this is me going back to my house. I didn't feel like coming out from watching the skies. It felt nice. Yeah, that's me. Of course, there were some other people on the road just chilling and vibing and enjoying the breeze. Wow, it's so cool out here. Like, why don't you subscribe to my channel and we get to walk together? We get to go to nature walk together. We get to reconnect with nature together. We get to listen to ourselves together. We get to have frequent meetings with our souls and minds, frequently. Why? Yeah, darkness is there. Bye, guys. Subscribe to my channel. That's the view from my house, from outside my house. Subscribe to my channel. Let's chill together. Let's appreciate nature. Let's go for dates with the nature severely. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.